If your Redmi Watch 6 does not want to turn on, what you can do is you can charge your watch. But before you do that, it is recommended to take a look at pins that we have here at the back of the watch. These are, of course, used to charge the watch. You want to make sure that they are clean, there is no dust, debris, or anything like that. They shouldn't be dirty at all. And of course, we can use the charging cable that comes with the watch. You should be able to find it inside the box. You also need to use something that provides power via USB cable. For example, you can use the charger or power adapter, maybe the same one that you use for your phone, if it is possible, because of course ports vary. I mean, there are power adapters that have USB-C port. So what we need to do is simply charge our watch for like half an hour or so. I'm gonna plug it in. There we go, and we just need to connect it to the back of the watch. There we go, it should stick in very easily. And like I said, just wait half an hour or so, maybe even up to an hour if you are patient enough. And if everything goes well, the watch might actually turn on automatically after you start charging, after connecting the charger. And in case it doesn't turn on, then it means that probably there is no battery left. So the watch needs some time to charge the battery, and then you can try to turn it on again. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.